Hello friends, want to give your walls a rich Italian marble look without spending too much? No dust, no mess, and the best part, it gets installed in just 2 to 3 hours. That is why everyone is going crazy for UV marble sheets. But wait, most people are making mistakes that cause them to peel off in just months. In today's video, I will tell you exactly how to avoid those mistakes, install them the right way, and how much it will cost you. Stay till the end. I will also show you where people are getting scammed by dealers who charge extra and how you can avoid that. What is UV marble sheet? Let us start with the basics. UV marble sheet is made in layers. The top layer is a UV cured coating that gives it a glossy finish and protects it from scratches and fading. Below that is a printed film layer where the marble or onyx design is printed. And at the bottom there is a PVC core that gives the sheet strength and flexibility. Now, one big misconception is that people think it is made of real marble or acrylic, but it is not. It is a completely synthetic sheet designed to look like marble, not made from actual stone. They are lightweight, flexible, waterproof, termite proof, and they shine like real Italian marble. They come in 1mm, 2mm, 3mm and 4mm thickness. You can refer this table for their rates. For a premium finish, always go for 3mm and above. It sticks better and looks richer. Smart buying tip. Many people just pick any design. But if you want premium look, choose Italian marble style patterns. White base with grey or golden veins. Stay away from outdated floral or overly colorful sheets. They will make your walls look tacky, not classy. Let us take a real example. Say you want to cover a 10 feet by 15 feet wall, which is 150 square feet. Each UV marble sheet comes in a size of 8 feet by 4 feet, covering 32 square feet. So to cover 150 square feet, you will need about 4.6 sheets, which means you will have to buy 5 full sheets. If you are going for a 3mm thick sheet, the current wholesale rate is around 60 rupees per square feet, which makes it 1920 rupees per sheet. So for 5 sheets, your material cost will be 1920 into 5 is equal to 9600 rupees. Now let us talk about labor. The labor will handle wall cleaning, applying adhesive, aligning the sheet and fixing the golden strip. This usually costs around 25 rupees per square feet. So for 150 square feet, that is 3750 rupees. For adhesive, use a silicone gun adhesive, not white cement. One bottle of silicone covers about 1.5 sheets. So for 5 sheets, you will need 4 bottles. And if each costs 250 rupees, that is 1000 rupees in total. For the golden strip, you can budget around 900 rupees for 150 square feet. Add minor transportation or wastage buffer of 800 to 1200 rupees. Total cost. Let us total it. UV sheets 9600 rupees. Labor 3750 rupees. Adhesive 1000 rupees. Golden strip 900 rupees. Transport or wastage 1200 rupees. So total is 16,450 rupees. It means 16,450 divided by area, that is 150 square feet. The total rate per square feet will be 110 rupees per square feet. UV marble sheets versus tiles, what is better? People often ask, why not use tiles instead? Yes, tiles can be cheaper if you go for budget options, which start around 50 rupees per square feet. But when you include labor charges, tile adhesive and material wastage, the total cost goes up to around 90 to 120 rupees per square feet. Tile installation usually takes 2 to 3 days and comes with a lot of dust and noise. On the other hand, UV marble sheet installation is clean, doesn't need cement and gets done in just 2 to 3 hours. So it is a faster, cleaner option that gives you a high gloss designer wall look. Common mistakes to avoid. Now listen carefully, this is where most people go wrong. Mistake 1. Using cheap adhesive. If you use local glue or Fevibond style adhesives, the sheet will fall off. Use these reliable adhesives: Fevicol SH, SR505, Decostar, etc. Mistake 2. Installing on a damp wall without reinforcement. If the wall has moisture, the sheet will peel off. Always use golden nails along with adhesive in damp areas. They are visible but stylish and keep the sheet intact. Mistake 3. Using thinner 1mm sheets just to save cost. Always prefer 3mm sheet thickness for walls. Better grip, better appearance, and better durability. Bonus: where to use them. Use UV sheets creatively. Behind your TV unit, in the lobby or entrance wall, as a bedroom headboard wall, even as a wardrobe panel or ceiling panel border. Pro tip: combine with matte finish lowers and golden strips for a luxury look. Where to buy? Yes, UV sheets are available online. You can search for UV marble sheet and check apps like IndiaMart, Plymart or B2B decor sites. But I recommend buying from offline dealers. Why? Because you can touch, feel and see the shine and pattern. Plus you get wholesale rates and avoid delivery damage. Bonus fact: UV marble sheets are not fireproof. They are PVC based, so they can melt or catch fire. Not recommended for use near gas burners or high heat zones. For those areas, use tiles or stone. So if you are planning to give your wall that luxury Italian look without the marble cost, UV marble sheets are a superb option. Just remember the tips I gave today. Let me know in the comments, would you choose UV marble sheet or tiles for your house? See you in the next video. Thanks for watching.